Hi, this is MarcTutorials and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another Lightroom mobile tutorial and Lightroom preset giveaway. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Today, I will show you how to edit Tangerine tone to your photos using Lightroom app on mobile. Here's the before and after photos using my Tangerine Lightroom preset. So let's start. Let's start in the Lights tab. Adjust the exposure to positive 0.24. Contrast to positive 17. Adjust the highlights down to negative 100. Shadows up to positive 19. Whites to negative 100. And adjust the blacks up to negative 5. Here's the adjustments in the tone curve. Let's proceed to the Colors tab. Adjust the temperature to positive 14. Tint to positive 2. Vibrance to positive 40. And adjust the saturation to negative 20. Next is in the color mix. In red, adjust the saturation to negative 26. And luminance to negative 3. In orange, adjust the hue to negative 15. Saturation to positive 18. And luminance to positive 7. In yellow, adjust the hue to negative 91. And luminance to negative 52. In green, adjust the hue down to negative 94. Saturation to negative 82. And adjust the luminance to negative 55. In aqua, adjust the hue to positive 100. Saturation to negative 100. and luminance to positive 58. In blue, adjust the hue to negative 66. And adjust the saturation to negative 95. In magenta, adjust the hue to positive 16. Saturation to negative 21. And luminance to positive 13. In purple, adjust the hue to negative 11. Saturation to positive 30. And luminance to negative 13. Here's the adjustments on the split toning. Adjust the sharpening to 7. Adjust the noise reduction to 19. And adjust the color noise reduction to 14. Lastly, adjust the grain to 9. Here's the DNG file. Let's copy and paste the settings to the photos that we want to edit. It is important to understand that there are no ideal settings for all photos. After all, we take photographs under different lighting conditions, with different equipment, so sometimes adjustment will be necessary.